Hey, it's Joanne with Broadcast Sunny. This is Financial Fridays, and we are asking the question, what is the Roth IRA and why would you want it? The Roth IRA is an individual retirement account. It is not employer-based like the 401k, so you open it as an individual. There are some restrictions to opening one. It is based on your salary, how much you make, and how you file your taxes. There's so many variables there that I'll put a link in the description of this YouTube video. There is also a limit to how much you can contribute into the Roth IRA. For in 2019, for those under 50 years old, you can put in $6,000. For those over 50, $7,000, and that has changed since 2018. So keep an eye on that in the future. So why the Roth IRA? Well, it's not tax deductible. That's not the reason you do it. But the key feature to the Roth IRA is that any growth within the account does not get taxed. And any money that you take out at the appropriate time is not included as your earnings. So the growth nor what you put in, which what you put in makes sense because you're being taxed as it goes in. When is the appropriate time to take it out? Well, there's two requirements. One, you have to be 59 and a half years old. And two, you have to have had the account for at least 5 years. I'm not sure what that is. If you know, please put it in the comments. I'd be curious why. The penalty for taking it out too soon is 10% of whatever you take out, plus you may have to pay some taxes on any growth that had occurred in the account. I hope that was helpful. Please like, share, subscribe. If you would like to see more videos like these, check out our Financial Fridays playlist on the Broadcast Sunny channel. Next week, traditional IRAs. See ya. How much you make and how you file your taxes. I'm going to put a link in the description box of the YouTube where this YouTube video I'm going to put some